pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Live. Right.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight.
We come before you tonight with humble hearts. For those being installed tonight, we pray that you provide them vision, give them guidance, direct their thoughts, O Lord.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next president of the Broward League of Cities, Commissioner Todd Drosky. This is how we start every single City of Deerfield Beach Commission meeting. I do solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully
I do solemnly swear that I will well and faithfully
perform the duties of President of the Broward League of Cities.
perform the duties of President of the Broward League of Cities.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations.
It is truly an honor and privilege to be the new president of the Broward League of Cities. Tonight, I'm going to unveil to you my initiative for the year, which is Innovate One Broward. Innovate One Broward embodies the changing technological landscape that we face every day. Everywhere we look, there are new and innovative ideas for us to explore and bring to our cities and to our residents. Tonight, we used a major innovation for our dinner program, the QR code, which is at your table tonight. With that, we have saved endless trees and water from being used. This year, the League will use QR codes as much as possible, and we'll use it for our agendas and meetings and publications going forward. With the onset of artificial intelligence and the vast innovative ideas that are on the horizon, each of us will learn new skills. Some as basic as replacing your business card with a scannable QR business card, to much more advanced level of mastering ChatGPT. Yes, I had to Google what that is. Innovate One Broward will look to teach and implement new technology that will enable us to be progressive leaders while still recognizing that there are innovative skills that we may need refresher courses on. I look forward to working with each and every single one of you in this year with the educational opportunities as we capture the spirit of innovating One Broward.